So hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be a bit different video. I think you know about this channel a lot now. It's Bokeshi, and then this is Bokeshi Science. There is another channel, Bokeshi Tech, and what I do on this channel is that I create online videos, and I create videos related to online courses, right? So I think I have uploaded many videos, and I will be uploading more videos. I think I have around thousands of topics in my mind are there right now, so it will take time. I may have to outsource some of the stuff later on, but so basically today I wanted to make this video. Basically I did this video because there is no electricity in the house, and so I just wanted to pass my time, what I can say. So what I want to talk to you about, that how I went to this world. Okay, so basically I'm a medical student. Okay, so a medical student who is, and I have learned programming and all that stuff, and programming and all I learned that all from Harvard University, right? So I didn't actually enroll in Harvard University. I did the online courses, and maybe in future in some videos, and of course on my website also, you will see the courses of from Harvard and from MIT, what courses I did and what are the best courses there. Okay, and they are really amazing courses because they will help you know how to think like a programmer, how to think like a grown man. So this all stuff you will see later on in my videos and stuff, and I'm changing it after every few months. I guess I am changing my type of content because I'm still doing this. Every time I think that I have completed my research and now I can boost my views in something, but then I come up with some other thing, and that's why my views are not too much. So basically what I'm today going to talk about is that how educate don't think that education is an obstacle for you. So basically don't think that you there are limited sources for education. There are unlimited sources. Why is it unlimited? Because you can't count it. Even if you start counting resources today, by the end you will end up by the time you will end up counting them, you will find that new sources has been created, and some of the old sources have become outdated. Okay, so there are unlimited sources, educational sources where you can get education, and I'll try to cover most of the best of those sources here on Bokeshi, now on my YouTube channels as well as on my website. Okay, and I have another website, Snack for Veins, but I'm not too much focused on that website right now. But I will do it after I get some funds. So this I wanted to talk to you about my channel, Bokeshi, and I hope that you also like this, you also love this channel, because in the beginning I only made what I started was I talked about books, and then I started sharing YouTube videos topic wise, okay, for different topics, for what best YouTube videos are there. Okay, but now I have again added a lot of courses there. So this is my third update, and I think you will really love these courses, because there are thousands of courses. There are paid courses as well as there are free courses. So some courses they are paid, but you can audit them for free, like what I have done. So I wanted to share with you this, because so that you will get the idea that doing these courses are not waste of time. See, I'm a medical student. I have no idea how to make a website, how to do programming, about anything about money. But from these courses, I have learned a lot. Right now, also, I'm doing economics from Massachusetts Institute of Technology. So I cannot certify it, but I have the knowledge which I'm going to use in my businesses. Okay, so that is what I wanted to talk to you, and I hope I best of luck for your future, and God bless you, and keep sharing my videos and watching them. Okay, so if you want some particular courses on some particular topic, then free feel to comment in the comment section. Yeah, I will be happy to share videos on them. Okay, so take care. God bless you.